Naimbag na rabi, kada tayo amin manan kay Lilian. At tuyak manan, jay tindera yo dito agris kaya. O, di ba? Dito na naman ako. Ayan, daming mga sasakyang dumadaan. Maingay. Ngayon may nabasa akong isang article tungkol sa NBAT. Napakaswerte pala ng NBAT. Ang Nueva Vizcaya Agricultural Terminal is being considered as a pilot area for the strengthening enterprises for a digital economic program of the United States Agency for International Development. USAID, yun ang sabi nila, galing sa SPED. Department of the Trade and Industry, DTI, Regional Director Leia Pulido Ocampo said the 1 billion 5-year SPED program aims to enable small and medium enterprises to participate safely, reliably, and competitive in the country's emerging e-commerce ecosystem. This is a new door of opportunity for our NBAT stakeholders. We are calling our NBAT partners to develop and discuss the good news that they are being considered for the program, sabi ni Madam Leia. So, sabi ni Madam Leia, ang 1 billion peso e-commerce initiative was launched in January 11, 2023 as a result of the Supra Consultation Regional Roadshow that was conducted in the Cagayan Valley region in September last year. So, ang sabi dito, ang SPED program will help improve